Yo, guys, it's Manandothegoat here, guys. Guys, I'll be analyzing, what do you call, I'll be analyzing, DXY for you guys. So, guys, here on this setup, I'm gonna do things a little bit different, because I'm used to analyzing in the week, on the daily, weekly, stuff like that. So today, something I was like, nah, man, to start on the monthly time frame and see something. So I wanna witness something here, guys. So as I'm on the monthly time frame, nowhere than really with 3 so like you highlight your highest height, guys, and then you come and highlight your lowest low. So I'll zoom these levels so that they can be clear to everyone. So there's some important stuff that I could say one has to have, these levels here. So the levels that I'm highlighting right now are levels of I could say point of interest. As you could see from the monthly, guys, you had your 1, 2, 3. So price was supposed to give you a double top here, which price failed, and it went for the third touch. So again, guys, you could see from the lower low going that side on the monthly, we still have DXY touching the third touch and price coming down. So this was the risk entry setup on this pair. From the monthly, I'll head to the weekly, where I think I don't even have to do anything. So this is what we call multi-time frame analysis. So when I come to the weekly, I just fix there and there. I just fix there and there. And no mistakes. You just have to just make sure the trend lines are touching very well. So now you could see that, okay, it's fine. You have a setup like this. So when you have a setup like this, what's up? You have to go to the what? You have to go to the daily time frame. So you being on the daily time frame, guys, that doesn't say a lot. You being on the daily time frame, you just have to do what's right. Zoom in a little bit and then look at the structure. You need only 2 to 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. Understand? And then you come to the low, you have another 1, 2, 3. So again, bro, when we come, we're gonna look at the time frame. So with this time frame, I'll look for the touches. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. As you could see, us having the zoom, we can have like a multiple touches of what we call 1, 2, 3. We have multiple touches, which is perfect touches. So again, guys, we have to go have these ones. This is the structure that we have, guys. This is the structure that we're having. So again, guys, from the daily, I'll move to the 4-hour time frame. As you could see on the 4-hour time frame, we have what we call a pattern within a pattern. So to those who are asking what's a pattern within a pattern within a pattern, it's when you are having a pattern inside a pattern. And then again, you could see the touches that I'm having there, guys. So I'll come to the lower low again and analyze the same touches. You see, so now I'm having a structure like that. So me having a structure like that, guys, will make me go to the 1 hour. So when we get to the 1 hour, you could still see that price just wanna breathe. There's nothing really happening here. You get what I'm saying, guys? There is nothing really happening. So as you could see here, guys, again, I have these things here. I have a 1, 2, 3. So now again, you have a pattern within a what? A pattern within a pattern. So this is how I have the structure. So if the structure pushes up, it will reach this level and then come down. So now I'll go to the what? I'll go to the 4 hour and I'll zoom everything out. So you see, guys, so me being in the 4 hour, this is something that I see. So based on the 4 hour, if I were to say, if they were to say they are requiring my direction, I would say we are going to go down. So I'm in this level right now. So me being in that level, I'll have to set the target. So the target that I'll have, it's somewhere around that level. So even if I were to go to the daily time frame, you'll see that price has to come touch what that they touch, you know. As you could see, guys, price has touched that they touch. So price touching that level, that has to give you something, you know. So and at the end of the day, you'll be having a what? You'll be having a setup like this. So if you guys don't get it, forget about getting it. You know, so on the daily, you're still good, you know, like you're still good. Like you can just make money. Like as I was just saying, making money makes sense. You know, price just has to drop. Get what I'm saying, guys? Price has to drop. It's like it's easy to make money. Yeah, you know, France. Na void the one well Zoom. Na void the win nana. Man, you sharp sharp. Man, look Brazil. Oh, mama, ndilo mapale kati. So okay, guys. Now we move to what do you call? We move to NZD USD. So on NZD USD, guys, let's start on the monthly again, because I think it's interesting starting on the monthly. So we're just gonna zoom the part that we wanna focus on, you know. I'm zooming. Okay, let's see. So on the monthly, guys, you could see that I'm having a height there. That's my higher height, you know. And then that has to be my lowest low. And then this has to be my what? Higher height again. And then the lowest low of everything, it's somewhere around this level. So me having those levels now, I'll move to the weekly time frame, you know. Because I think price is giving me like a double bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it gave me a double bottom price. So whenever you see a double bottom, just know that price is about to do what price is about to go up. So on the weekly, there's nothing much to be done. On the daily, again, there is nothing much to be done. Why am I saying there's nothing much to be done? Because price was moving in an impulse correction, and then price decided to go for the what? For the impulse. This is how it is, you know. So I'm just gonna take a trend from there. As you could see, we have one, two, three, you know, and then again we have one, two, three, and there's a break there, you know. Again, and this break was like this. So we have another break. So with this break, let's say price will reach the 90% rule of everything, which is somewhere around that level. So if you were looking at this pair, you need to know that okay, you looking at this pair, this is what could happen, this is what can happen. You know. That will like really help you a lot. As you can see, we did break that level, and price is promising. You know, we're gonna reach where we wanna reach. You know, so just be patient with your strategy. Whether SMC, currency, or whatsoever, be patient with the strategy. Like it will surely pay off. You know, never rush your strategy. That's my advice to you. Never rush your strategy. As you could see, break, and then we have this level, and then prices to just go up. So guys, with the what do you call entry part, I'll go live again, guys. I like going live or whatever. I'll find a day where I can host a free webinar again or something like that. So we can discuss more of entries, you know. Because truly speaking, you know, when it comes to entries, I was taught by the best Marco Grassini. Is it correct, Marco Grassini? That's why you see my entries are different, you know, guys. They're different from other traders. Because I'm just putting two things into like one thing, you know, and then it works out for me. That's it, you know. Like that's it. You get what I'm saying, guys. You see, we just gotta push to that height. Okay, let's go to the most feared thing that people are afraid to trade, NASDAQ. Guys, like NASDAQ, nah, it is money, but sometimes you can deal with you. Yeah, better NASDAQ sometimes. Yeah, better. So NASDAQ, guys, now online, I'm not going to any bigger time frame on NASDAQ. NASDAQ about la wila tilega yearly time frame. You're gonna get a beating. So this is NASDAQ, you know. these being NASDAQ guys, you could see that it's being pushing up, being pushing up. So what we could say we have here, it's we have what? We have lower low, and then we have higher height, and then we have the most important levels. So lately, Nasdaq doesn't respect anything. You know why you wanna be trading something which lacks respect. Nasdaq doesn't care if you're Manandothegoat. It will just show you flips. Understand? Then again, we have this part. You know, one, two. You see, we are having these. You see, one, two, one, two, and then again on the low, we're gonna be having something like this. So us having that, we're gonna come take the drop that we had previously. You know. I'm just analyzing this thing based on previous price, you know. So yeah, with Nasdaq, I think we can be having something like this for next week, you know. So like if you're looking at Nasdaq next week, I'll be looking for maybe sales like that. One thing about me, guys, I'll let you know, I trade what I see, not what we see. You understand? Because everybody got their own way on how they view the market. Just like this drop, I traded it the way I think it was right, you know. And I'll forever trade the way I think it's okay because I'm not I'm not pressurized by anyone on how I should trade. Like a lot of you guys, you tend to lose yourself because of Instagram, seeing Manando how. Like the way I'm analyzing, that doesn't have to change your trading as a person, you know, because I'm more into price and price action. There are a lot of people who are more into Falcon, others are more into whatever they want to trade, you know. So it's just a different strategies, different way of approaching the market. So whatever strategy makes money for you, continue using it, you know. A lot of time, a lot of you guys, when it comes to Nasdaq, it's not like you guys are failing to trade Nasdaq, but then you guys need to understand that there are some pairs or some indices for you to trade them. They need a big what do you call? They need a big capital, you know. Truly speaking, you can't trade Nasdaq with 1,000. The people you see that took 1,000 to 10,000, there was no risk management there, you know. So there's a what do you call? There's a amount list that I have that okay, it's fine. If you find it 100 USD, this has to be your target, or these is the things that you need to trade. No one likes you guys sit here thinking, acting as if Nasdaq doesn't blow. Nasdaq will blow your last money. Understand? Nasdaq Joe doesn't care about your feelings. So sometimes as a person, low energy, just try to accommodate yourself. You know, don't force things. Do not force things. You know, stay away from things like Nasdaq. But then you guys are like, it's like you're programmed. You were told that the best strategy that you can use, it's you the best way to trade is this way. Nah, it's not true. That's not true, guys. You know what they told you, it was all kept. Because I see everyone nowadays, you guys are Nasdaq what Nasdaq what. The real Nasdaq people are quiet out there. You guys are busy claiming Nasdaq these now. Like as Nasdaq will like take off your capital. With that one, I'm sure. You know. So price has been touching this level, higher heights, lower lows, higher heights, lower lows, higher height. So guys, let's pray we get a what? A lower low. So if we're selling to that level. And like one thing you my people that are good in, right? I'll tell you straight. You guys are good in holding losses. But then when it comes to profit, you can't even hold. South African traders, we believe in get in, get out, get in, get out. Real traders are making money out there, trading what they can see, trading the bigger picture, you know, because when you are trading on the bigger scale, guys, you know, when you're trading on the bigger scale, you have the best mindset, you have the best vision, you know. But like imagine trading on the M5, you just make money, go out, make money, go out. That's not trading. Trading it's when you as an individual understand the type of trader are you. There are day traders, scalpers, intraday, stuff like that. The list goes on, you know. So you need to find yourself. You need to you need to get like you need to like believe more in yourself than you believe in others. So with Nasdaq, that's it. But then a lot of you guys you prefer to even go to the M page. You're still trading Nasdaq on the M1 and then you're still asking yourself what's wrong, man. How you gonna trade NASDAQ on the 1 minute? You can't trade NASDAQ on the 1 minute. There is no hope there. You understand, guys? There is no hope. This is a setup. And then, guys, if a setup fails, it doesn't mean you're not good. It means there's just somewhere you went wrong. Then you guys, when you get a wrong setup, you'll be saying, yo, Forex is a scam. Forex is never a scam. Understand? When it's not working for you, you'll say it's a scam. And like, I can't blame you. Understand? But then, truly speaking, it's not a scam. You just need to change the mindset that you have towards the market. Understand? Because Luna, guys, you guys are Bruce Liverpool Forex and Tolohanya, guys. So yeah, guys, we have 2 pairs. Every day, guys, we'll be recording a content for you guys, where I'll be analyzing 2 pairs. As you saw today, we did DXY and the DUSD. Now we did NASDAQ. So to those who have questions, guys, you ask by the comment section. It's me, your boy, Manando the Goat. I'm signing out. We should stop trading like SA traders, yo.